Good morning. We're here changing our brake rotors on a 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. I have loosened the bottom bolts off and taking the top bolt now. Just going to pull the caliper back. And you can see the rotor just is loose there. There's nothing holding it on. I'm going to replace that because it got rusty over the winter as it sat and it's out of shape now. So I've got new rotors here that have come from Partsavatar. Never used Partsavatar before, looked them up online. Everything seems to be good with their reviews. Stuff was here within a couple of days, super easy to buy. So hopefully they fit and everything will be right back into quick service here. That looks like it's good. Slide that on. Put these bolts back in the back. And we're ready to go. Partsavatar looks like a pretty good deal. They were about half the price of rotors at Canadian Tire and they came right to the door. Good job, guys.